We'd actually seen the rally on YouTube, of all things. Thought, oh, that'd be nice to do.
Everybody's been very helpful because this is our first time of doing it and we have not got a clue of what we're doing, but everybody's been so helpful.
Well, I think it's a autonomy together to be able to use your car, properly and competitively. So yeah, it's just a fantastic way of enjoying the MGB.
It's been a lot of fun. We made a few mistakes, but we had a lot of fun. So it's some beautiful countryside and met some really nice people.
In a Mini, a go-kart track is still a go-kart track because we're about the same size and it flows. It's brilliant. It's good being back on the Navigator side, but yeah, we're enjoying it a lot.